Chapter 10. Our precious resources, forest and wildlife. Let's learn. Importance of forest. Types of forest. Deforestation. Conservation of forest. Wildlife. National parks, wildlife sanctuaries. Nature has bestowed us with many gifts in the form of natural resources. Some of them are present in abundance and some in limited quantity. For example, coal and petroleum are present in limited quantity and once used up cannot be replenished again. Hence, these are called exhaustible resources. Air, water, and sunlight are present in unlimited amount in nature and hence are called inexhaustible resources. Forest and wildlife are also our natural resources which are very important to us. Let us study about them. Importance of forest. Forests are the green lungs of the planet. They provide us with oxygen required for breathing. Forests absorb the polluted air and make it clean. They are home to many animals and birds which get their food from them. Forests provide us with many useful products like timber, fuel, herbs, gums, resins, paper, fibers, etc. They also help in bringing rain and conservation of soil. They prevent soil erosion and also control floods. Types of forest. Forests are generally classified according to location and climate. India has a very wide range of climatic conditions. Based on their climatic conditions, forests are classified as evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mountain forest,
mangrove forests,
thorn forest, evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are also called tropical rainforest. They have a hot and humid climate. These forests usually abound in areas receiving more than 200 centimeters of rainfall and support a diverse range of plants. These trees shed their leaves at different seasons, due to which they appear green throughout the year and hence the name evergreen forest. These forests are dense and multi-layered. The tall trees form a thick canopy which even restricts sunlight to pass through. In India, evergreen forests are found in the western slopes of the Western Ghats in states such as Kerala and Karnataka, hills of northeastern India, and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Some of the trees found in Indian tropical rainforests are rosewood, mahogany, ebony, bamboo, and reeds. Info Hive. 21.34% of India's land area is under forest cover. 2015 survey. Deciduous forest. Deciduous forests or monsoon forests are known for their economic importance. The trees in these forests have quite large and broad leaves, and they shed all their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in summer. Deciduous forests are found mainly on the foothills of the Himalayas, Shivalik and wetter regions of the southern plateau. The principal trees of these forests are teak, sal, sandalwood, mahua, mango, neem, jackfruit, shisham, and bamboo. Mountain forest. The trees of these forests have needle-shaped leaves. Mountain forest or coniferous forest are mainly located at high altitude in the mountains and usually vary to a great extent along the slopes of mountain. Pine, cedar, spruce, and silver fir are found in these altitudes, which are some of the most important trees of the mountainous region. Mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are also called tidal forest. They are mainly situated on the Gangetic Delta and in coastal plains of West Bengal called the Sundarbans. This name is derived from the sundry trees growing there. The plants in these forests include trees, shrubs, ferns, and palms. These plants are mainly found in the tropics and subtropics on river banks and along coastlines. Thorn and scrub forest. Thorn and scrub forests are dominated by thorny plants which grow in less rain-fed regions. They have features adapted to hot and dry climate. Their extensive root system helps to reach water deep under the soil surface. Their leaves are also modified into spines. They are found in northwest India, covering parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, etc. Kikar, babool, acacia, and grass are found in these forests. Brain tickler. Why are the leaves of trees of the thorn forest modified into spines? Info Hive. The Chapko movement was started in 1974 by Sundarlal Bahuguna at Chamoli in Uttarakhand to protect trees from being cut down. Deforestation. In India, nearly 22% of land is covered with forest, whereas it should have a minimum of 33% forest cover. Due to the increasing demand of land for agriculture, demand for timber and construction of buildings and industries, forests have been cleared at rapid pace. This has caused ecological imbalance in nature. Conservation of forest. Government has enforced certain laws for the protection of forest and to check illegal felling of trees. Awareness should be created among people about the importance of forest and the need to protect them. Overgrazing of cattle should be checked to protect the grass cover. Vana Mahotsav is another initiative taken to conserve plants. This program is celebrated every year in the month of July. A large number of trees are planted in the entire country. Brain tickler. What is social forestry movement? Wildlife. India has a hot and humid climate which supports a diverse range of wildlife. But due to deforestation and poaching, our rich wildlife is threatened. To save animal species from becoming extinct, Our government has declared many areas as national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Hunting of animals, felling trees, grazing of animals, and human habitation are prohibited here. Leopards, lions, Asiatic elephants, rhinoceros, peacocks, Bengal tigers, deer, and antelopes are commonly found in India. Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. A wildlife sanctuary is a space that is set aside exclusively for the use of wild animals, which are protected in this area. Hunting is prohibited here, and animals are preserved to save them from becoming extinct. National parks are a major tourist attraction because of their beautiful landscape and abundant wildlife. They welcome visitors and provide opportunities for everyone to experience, enjoy, and learn about different animals. There are more than 100 national parks and 500 wildlife sanctuaries across India. Some of them are shown in the map here. Info Hive. The Indian Wild Ass Sanctuary is the largest in India, with an area of 4,954 square kilometer, Little Run of Kutch, Gujarat. National Parks. Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, Bandipur National Park in Karnataka, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, Gir National Park in Gujarat, Sariska Tiger Reserve, Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan, and Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. Recap. Forests give us many useful things such as raw materials for industries, food, and shelter to wildlife. There are many types of forests in India. These are the evergreen deciduous thorn, mountain, and mangrove forest. In India, wildlife is rich and varied, though some species are rapidly disappearing. Our government is taking steps to protect forest and wildlife. There are more than 100 national parks and 500 wildlife sanctuaries across India. Values for life. We should all make efforts, and each one of us must contribute to conserve our forest. They give us clean environment and thus life.